going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a 2014 to 2020 Chevy Impala. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is you come up, you pick your windshield wipers up. You see this little tab right here? Take like your fingernail or maybe possibly even a flathead screwdriver and pop that up like that. You can see. Then once you do that, all you want to do is just pull it down on your windshield wipers just like that. Then once you do that, pull down on it, your wiper will come out just like that, so you can see the hook. Then when you take your new windshield wipers, you can look good in here. You'll see like an opening right there. So if you look good, so now you want to do is come with your new windshield wipers, take the hook like that, kind of stick it inside of there, just like that. And once you got it flush, just pull it up like that, and it should be in place. And then once you have it like that, all you want to do is take this little piece, pop that down like that, and pretty much you'll be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2014 to 2020 Chevy Impala. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.